and welcome to South East London and the London Borough of Bromley. I'm standing on the very empty platform of London's 6th least used station. Birkbeck Station first opened in 1858 as part of the West End of London and Crystal Palace Railway, and was closed for a period of time in the early 1900s whilst the line was electrified. It used to be double track with 2 platforms, but the second platform was abandoned in 1983, years before the tram was built. That's right, the tram, making this a unique station in London with a fence down the middle separating the 2 tracks, with more passengers using the tram side but only a small number using the National Rail side. You have to walk down to street level, exiting the station and going back in again to change between the 2. Birkbeck, named after Dr. George Birkbeck, is in a busy suburban area with local houses and shops, but it is also very close to Elmer's End station, where there are more trains to more destinations, which probably accounts for Birkbeck's low usage. Still, it did win the Experience Quality Improvement Process Award in 2010 with 5 stars. The long single platform has seating, a shelter, a help point and a ticket machine, and of course oyster pads to touch in, but nothing more. In terms of services, there are 2 trains an hour each way, with no Sunday service, although for a while during the Southern strikes it had the dubious honour of having its Monday to Friday services withdrawn, meaning trains only ran once a week on a Saturday. And here are the passenger numbers. As provided by the Office of Rail and Road for the 2015-16 period, Birkbeck is the 6th least used station in the whole of London, with just 116,948 passengers, which is just 320 per day. We'll reveal what the other stations are as we count down London's least used stations in this series.